Hello, my name is Lieutenant Kimberly Gore, and I'm currently stationed at the Cruise Ship National Center of Expertise located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And today we're going to be learning about fire doors. We'll be going over testing of fire doors. In today's discussion, we'll talk about types of fire doors, the regulatory guidance, show a demonstration, and then discuss the fire door indicator panel. Types of fire doors and regulatory requirements. There are 4 basic types of fire doors that we will encounter. They are hinged, sliding, double leaf, and roller shutter. Requirements for hinge doors. The regulatory requirements can be found in SOLAS, Chapter 2, Tac 2, Regulation 9.4.1.1.5. Fire doors located in main vertical zone bulkheads, galley boundaries, and stairway enclosures shall satisfy the following requirements. Their time of closure must be between 10 and 40 seconds. The door must be capable of local release from both sides of the door. The door must be capable of release from a central control station. Doors must be capable of group and individual release from a central control station. The door must be designed to close in the event of disruption of the control system or central power supply. Indication of open or close shall be provided at the fire door indicator panel at the central control station. And lastly, holdback hooks not subject to central control station release are prohibited. Here we are testing a hinged fire door. The time of closure should be noted. If the door closes too fast, have the crew adjust the door accordingly in order to meet the 10 to 40 second threshold. Regulatory requirements for sliding doors. The regulatory requirements can again be found in SOLAS Chapter 2, Tac 2, Regulation 9.4.1.1.5. The time of closure for sliding doors must be between 0.1 meters per second and 0.2 meters per second. Local power accumulators for power-operated doors shall be provided in the immediate vicinity of the doors to enable doors to be operated at least 10 times. Doors designed to reopen upon contacting an object in its path shall reopen not more than 1 meter from the point of contact. Capable of local release from both sides of the door. Capable of release from a central control station. Door shall be capable of group release and individual release from central control station, and the door must be designed to close in the event of disruption of the control system or central power supply. Additionally, the indication of open or closed shall be provided at the fire door indicator panel at the central control station. In this video, we are testing a sliding fire door. As we can see, the door is closing at a rate of 0.1 to 0.2 meters per second. Although sliding doors are not required to have a contact bar, if they do have one, once it is contacted, the door should retract approximately 1 meter and then continue its normal operation. Regulatory requirements for double leaf doors. The regulatory requirements can be found in SOLAS Chapter 2, Tac 2, Regulation 9.4.1.1.5. The time of closure, similar to the hinge door, is 10 to 40 seconds. Double leaf doors equipped with a latch necessary for their fire integrity shall have a latch that is automatically activated by the operation of the doors when released by the system. The door should be capable of local release from both sides of the door. The door shall be capable of release from the central control station. Capable of group and individual release from the central control station. The door should be designed to close in the event of disruption of the control system or central power supply. And again, the indication of open or close shall be provided at the fire door indicator panel at the central control station. When closing a double leaf door, ensure the doors close in the proper sequence. The fire boundary could be compromised if the doors do not close in the proper order. This specific door has a magnetic release system, ensuring that the door with the leaf closes first before the other door fully closes. Regulatory requirements for roller shutters. The policy that Coast Guard follows can be found in MSC guidelines for the use of A0 rated roller shutters in certain A60 boundaries, also known as procedure number SOLAS TAC 02. Shutters can be used to protect openings in a fire boundary in lieu of doors. The shutters must be combined with sprinkler protection on both sides of the shutter, the requirements specified in SOLAS 2 TAC 2 Regulation 9.4.1.1.4, and automatic closing upon detection of fire either by a dedicated fusible link or by activation of a local smoke detector or sprinkler. The most common place to see roller shutters in lieu of fire doors is in the galley. The roller shutter is normally placed in front of ovens and grills to protect against the potential risk of fire. Now that we've gone over the different types of fire doors, we'll now discuss the fire door indicator panel located at the central control station. For this segment, the ship's crew will provide an overview.
So here we have the fire door control panel for Serenade of the Seas. Over here you can close the fire doors in case of an emergency, all of them, as this is the general closing switch. And we also have by the different zones in case we need to, if we detect that the fire was in a specific zone, then we can specifically close. Okay. Additionally, we have the system set in auto, so if nobody acknowledges the alarm within 2 minutes, it will automatically close.
Perfect. And then do you guys have an LED panel that shows the indication that the doors are open or closed?
Here, over there.
Electronically?
Electronic, yeah.
Okay.
So, and we also include
yeah, we also include. Yeah, so here from our fire computer, we have the overview of the fire doors, the mimics. We have basically the same panel electronically, the one that we have over there on the hard switch panel. You can see again by zones. We have the drenching system also we can activate from here, location lights, and then laundry ducts. And then if we go in the panel of the doors, we can see each door individually.
It states their status.
Yeah, you
Open.
can see red one is going to be open. And then if we have the green one, it's going to be showing closed.
Perfect. Thank you.
If you have any additional questions or concerns, please contact the Cruise Ship National Center of Expertise at csncoe@uscg.mil or via phone at 954-767-2140, or feel free to visit our website. Thank you for watching and have a great day.